Hello and welcome to Alta Academy. I'm Nicole Watt from Pixel Mavens Retreat, and I'd like to introduce you to the newest class, Mission Inspiration. Whether you're a new or an experienced crafter, finding inspiration for your projects can be a struggle. But inspiration is everywhere. Just take a minute to look around and you will find ideas that you can use in your card making and other craft projects. In this class, I will share how I find and organize my inspiration so it's always at my fingertips and I don't end up down the Pinterest or Instagram rabbit holes. There are 6 lessons, each with an in-depth video discussion on finding and organizing your inspiration and a step-by-step project video putting our inspiration into action. So start the new year off right with an inspiration plan that will have you crafting all year with ease. I can't wait to see you in class, so register today.